Imagine falling for someone you have spoken to for less than 5 minutes, then deciding to search every dance studio in Los Angeles just to find her. It sounds completely insane, right? Well, that's exactly what Charlie Harper does in the hilarious episode of Two and a Half Men. But what starts as a simple crush quickly turns into one of Charlie's wildest missions yet, and Elani's reaction makes it even funnier. Let's break down this unforgettable episode. Hey everybody, welcome back to Ben Syndicate. Today we are diving into another hilarious episode of Two and a Half Men, where Charlie becomes obsessed with finding a mysterious girl named Mia after just one chance encounter. This episode perfectly captures Charlie's unstoppable confidence, Alan's sarcastic reality checks, and one of the funniest family conversations in the entire series. Let's jump right in Charlie's crazy plan. The episode begins with Charlie's doing something completely unexpected. Instead of relaxing at home, he is making a detailed list of every dance studio within a 5-mile radius of the coffee shop where he met Mia. Elon walks in completely confused. Charlie explains that he can't stop thinking about the beautiful dancer he met earlier. The only clues he has are her name Mia and the fact that she appeared to be a dancer because of her dance magazine and leg warmers. To Charlie, that's enough evidence to launch a full investigation. It's classic Charlie Harper. When he wants something, logic immediately leaves the room. Alan tries to stop him, but Alan immediately questions the entire idea. He reminds Charlie that Mia showed absolutely no interest in him. In fact, she almost looked uncomfortable around him. For most people, that would be a clear sign to move on, but Charlie's is not most people. His response is simple. He can't stop thinking about her. Then he casually admits the reason that caught his attention: her incredible looks. That confession leads to one of the funniest conversations of the episode, with Alan becoming increasingly frustrated while Charlie continues making ridiculous comparisons that only make sense in his own mind. This is classic Two and a Half Men humor, fast, absurd, and perfectly delivered. Why Charlie refuses to give up. Instead of accepting defeat, Charlie explains that the challenge itself is what excites him. He compares Mia to climbing Mount Everest. Why climb something impossible? Because everyone else believes it can't be done. To Charlie, winning over someone who is not interested is far more exciting than someone who already likes him. It's not really about love, it's about providing that he can succeed. Alan tries to point out how ridiculous this sounds, but Charlie has already convinced himself that the harder the challenge, the bigger the reward. And that's exactly what makes Charlie Harper such an entertaining character. His confidence borders on complete delusion, yet somehow he always believes he will find a way. The funniest speech of the episode is just when Alan thinks the conversation could not get any crazier. Berta steps in and she completely supports Charlie. Instead of criticizing his obsession, she praises his determination. According to Berta, Charlie represents the hardworking American spirit, someone who never quits, someone who keeps chasing what he wants no matter how impossible it seems. Her over-the-top patriotic speech turns an already ridiculous situation into comedy gold. By the end, everyone is laughing. Even Alan has no idea how to respond to anyone. Moments like this are exactly why Berta became one of the most beloved characters in the entire series. She always finds a way to make Charlie's terrible decisions sound strangely inspirational. So what makes this episode so memorable is not just Charlie's chasing Mia. It's the contrast between every character. Alan represents logic, Charlie follows pure impulse, and Berta somehow turns bad decisions into motivational speeches together. They create the perfect comedy trio. This episode also introduces Mia, a character who will become much more important later in the series, making this first meeting even more meaningful for longtime fans. Overall, the episode is packed with sharp jokes, unforgettable one-liners, and classic Charlie Harper confidence. It reminds us that Charlie never backs down from a challenge even when everyone else thinks he is completely crazy. But here's my question for you. Do you think Charlie was being romantic or just completely obsessed? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this explanation and review, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notification for more Two and a Half Men episode breakdowns every day. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.